So now we're going to go ahead and do the hem flange using our 9120 and our door's nozzle, showing you how easy to use it and using a user-friendly poster in order to replicate the seam. All right. So one thing to know, when you shake our tube, you're going to feel there we actually have to take out the actual silicone gel that's in there using our opener. Right. This bottom tube here, I'm going to pop the tab. Right. Shake out the beads. Fresh product. The other end, you want to pop the tube using the poker on the top. That's it. No screwdriver needed. Okay. Now, what's going to happen here? This is what it's going to look like after, and this is what it looks like right now. So what we're going to do, we're going to cut the nozzle to our actual hem flange. What we're going to need to seam on the door. The way we do this, you take your nozzle, you get to the side here, and you want to cut it. Right? So if you're right-handed, you cut the right wing off. Right? To the middle point of your actual nozzle. You're slowly going to come here and do a quick offset cut like that. Perfect. And what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to do a replicate seam of 8 millimeters. So there's actually different measurements on the actual nozzle telling you where you want. If you want to do 12, 10, 8, 6, and if you flip it, there's other size 7, 9, 11, 13. Okay. So here I'm just going to do my cut to 8. This procedure takes about a minute to set up, but it will actually speed up your process much quicker than you're doing in the shops right now. Be careful when you're actually cutting this nozzle. Right. What you're going to do next, you're going to bend that. Now you get a perfect seam on your nozzle. What's done next? Take your product where you opened it up. Screw on there. Perfect. Now that we have our nozzle cut, you're screwed onto the cartridge. Now we're going to show you how to install it to the gun. Right? We have our cut. We have our actual product here. Now we actually have 6-bar pressure. So what's going to be done here? You're going to take the cartridge, turn it into place. We're actually going to set the gun to 6-bar pressure here. So now that we actually have our setup here, we have 6-bar pressure, we have our panel. So what we're going to do now, we're going to, with the prepared surface that you have on your hem flange, you're going to come over to it. And what you're going to do, you want to make sure you're not too close, not too far, a good distance from when you're about to apply the product. Right? Do a quick dry run. All right? Without triggering, you just want to put your finger right down the trigger. There you go. Completed, no tape needed. Just cut your nozzle and you can have the door completed or within less than 2 to 3 minutes. Right? Couple things to add. You let this product flash about 2 to 3 minutes and you can paint it right away. You can touch it tack-free within about 30 minutes. Great product, no solvent, no smell. And you can go ahead and actually use this product anywhere in the facility.